Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to add hyperlink in PDF file using Preview on Mac OS. In real, you can directly add hyperlinks to your PDF using Preview, but let's see some tricks in order to add the hyperlink to your PDF and be able to click on it. First, open Preview app and open your PDF file. After that, click on this icon in order to show this toolbar. After that, click on this T icon. Then click anywhere in your PDF file to add the text box. In this text box, you should enter the URL you want to add to your PDF file. Format it as you like, for example, change its color to blue and underline it, like I did right here. https example.com is my hyperlink added to this PDF. When exporting this PDF with the hyperlink, it will not be directly clickable. If your PDF was opened with Adobe Acrobat, your hyperlink will be detected and be clickable. So, another step is to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat and export it again. And yeah, you will get your hyperlink working successfully. Or if you don't have Adobe Acrobat, you can just export from Preview and send it to people so it open it with Adobe Acrobat. The hyperlink will work without any problems. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and peace.